Alright, Practice Provincial B, question number 10, tells us the following. A road sign says to turn right in 1,000 feet, and we want to know approximately how far is this distance in kilometers. Alright, there's a couple ways to go about solving this problem, but since this section doesn't allow us to use a calculator, we can't actually just use a calculator and solve it that way. So we're going to use the following conversions, because these will offer us the simplest calculations that we should be able to do even if we don't have a calculator. Okay. No, I shouldn't do that right away. I'll start off here. Okay, we're going to start off with this 1 yard equals 3 feet. So we'll start off like this. So we have 1,000 feet, and we want to convert this into yards. So convert that as follows. Multiplied by 1 yard per 3 feet. The reason we want to do it this way is because then we can cancel out our feet and we'll be left with a yard. So 1,000 times 1/3, well, 1/3 of 1,000 is approximately 300 yards. So we know how many yards we have. The next step, well, looking to our imperial to metric conversion, is ultimately, again, we want kilometers. So we have to convert this to metric eventually. Looking at the imperial metric conversion, we notice that 1 yard is approximately 1 meter. So this 300 yards, we can say, is approximately 300 meters because of this 1-to-1 ratio. I'm rounding, but the question's only asking us for an approximation anyways, so I can do that. 0.9 is very close to 1, so 1 yard is very close to 1 meter. Now the next conversion factor we're going to look at is my metric conversion factor, 1 kilometer to 1,000 meters. So I'm going to convert my 300 meters, multiply this by the conversion factor of 1 kilometer per 1,000 meters. And again, I'm doing it this way so that my units of meters cancel out. This is 300 times 1,000, or in other words, this is going to be 300 divided by 1,000. This will be approximately 0.3 kilometers. That answer is A. Let's check. 10A. Good. Another thing that's not explicitly stated here is you could solve this problem as follows. If you know this. Let's use black. Okay. So, it's not listed here, but this is fairly common knowledge if I'm not mistaken. There are approximately 3 feet in every 1 meter. So if you know this conversion right away, again, this is mostly common knowledge, I think, then we can go right from the 1,000 feet and multiply that by 1 meter per 3 feet. Again, our feet will cancel out, and we get 1,000 times 1/3. So this is approximately equal to 300 meters. Okay, so basically, if we do it this way, we cut out our yard conversion. There's no need to convert the feet to yards. We just go from feet to meters. But that does require you to remember that there's about 3 feet in every 1 meter, which unfortunately your data booklet does not provide. But if you do remember it, it'll help you out. It'll cut out this one step